Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your system service exception error. So for fixing it, you just need to go to start, click on power, and when you click shift, just click restart. So now you just need to wait some time after it will restart and open restoration menu from which you will fix your error. So let's wait after it will restart. So here you choose troubleshoot, advanced option, command prompt, Now you need to choose your administrator on your computer. And now you need to enter your password. And just click enter. So now we see command line, and now we need to write in command line C. So just write like I write. And here you need to enter one command. And now you just need to write exit and continue. So now your computer will restart and your error will be fixed. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.